Welcome back to QrepubliC. Today is September 8, 2021, Wednesday. Index finishes at 8-week high. Share prices advanced yesterday following the release of the latest employment and inflation data during trading hours, with the numbers providing investors a glimmer of hope in the country's path toward economic recovery. The unemployment rate improved from 7.7 to 6.9% in July, and inflation rate hit 4.9% in August, the highest in 32 months according to AB Capital. Converge reached 32 pesos per share yesterday, up by 1.59% after reports it would join the Financial Times Stock Exchange Global Equity Index. Converge is the only Philippine company to be added to the small cap index of the FTSE Global Equity Index series in the most recent review. And for our top news for the day, JCR affirms PH credit rating. The Japan Credit Rating Agency Limited affirmed the Philippines credit rating, but it expects a slow-paced economic recovery this year due to the rapidly spreading Delta variant. In a statement, JCR said last September 6 that it maintained the credit rating for the Philippines at A with a stable outlook, reflecting its high and sustainable economic growth performance underpinned by solid domestic demand. Filinvest kicks off Visayas leg of Filvax program. The conglomerate aims to have 100% of its workforce, including employees and third-party service providers, vaccinated by the fourth quarter of 2021. More Bulacan towns given access to San Miguel water supply. In a statement, SMC said it has formalized agreements with 7 water districts in the province to be covered by Stage 3 of its Bulacan bulk water supply project. Cebu Air passes IATA safety audit, and the audit covers organization management and control system, flight operations, dispatch, cabin, ground handling, cargo, maintenance, and security. Cavitex to be connected to C5 link by fourth quarter in 2022. Metro Pacific Investments or MPI unit Cavitex Infrastructure Corporation told reporters on September 7th that right-of-way acquisition for the segment has reached 82%. The Cavitex is also seen to be connected to the Cavite-Laguna Expressway. The connection is expected to cost around 2 billion pesos and is targeted to start construction by late 2021 or early 2022 in anticipation of the CALAC's completion by early 2023. World Health Organization says wealthy nations are prolonging pandemic by hoarding COVID treatments and vaccines. WHO says Delta remains the most concerning COVID variant despite emergence of Mu. Stock futures are little change after those 260-point loss, and Asia Pacific stocks mix. Japan revises second quarter GDP upward. For our PSEI today, we closed at 6,949.39 with net foreign selling na around 49 million pesos today. So, konti na lang is nasa 7,000 level na tayo. We're glad na despite na nagbago yung time frame ng government regarding granular lockdown, plus meron tayong mataas na inflation rate, positive pa rin po yung tinakbo ng ating PSEI today. Nagkaroon man tayo ng bullish candlestick today, let's still be cautious kasi very steep pa rin yung ginagawa natin sa market as of the moment. So, hindi pa nakakahinga yung market natin kasi panay higher low or higher high yung ginagawa natin. Also, let's give weight din sa news natin kahapon. Yung comment ng Call Financial na reaching 7,000 level could be challenging dahil na nga rin po sa mga COVID cases natin and community restriction pa rin. So challenging man, sabi ng Call Financial, we can use the pullback or correction for better positioning or even gaining on the current stock that we are holding. Kaya naman, don't be surprised if magkaroon tayo ng correction soon. We just need to make sure na handa tayo for any possible corrections through our trading plan. And hopefully, hindi long red candlesticks yung gawin ng ating market in case man magpo-pullback tayo or correction para maiwasan yung fear emotion or yung selling pressure. So let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For AC Energy, fifth failed attempt na po natin na i-breakout itong ating all-time high with a consistent buying ng ating foreign investors. So ito actually yung red flag natin kahapon kasi nabawasan yung volume natin pero ngayon tumaas ulit yung ating buying sa ating net foreign indicator. So it seems na the foreigners really want to push up the price of AC Energy, thus to make a new all-time high. Kind of candlestick that we made today is still weak but strong due to the consistency in trading on our upper border and maintaining itong ating 9.92 area as its support in the short term. So as of the moment, we can still see the indecision of the market as a whole, but the strength that can be observed suggests na good to hold tayo dito kay AC Energy. So depending on our trading plan and analysis on its momentum, you may decide to hold or secure your gain. And sa mga papasok pa lang po kay AC Energy, test buy is a safer strategy if by any chance. For PHA, selling pressure can be observed as from 25th August up until it resumed trading, puro red candlesticks pa rin po yung ginagawa natin with some spike on the volume. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we still don't have support and more on withdrawals pa rin po yung ating ma-observe. Although mini-maintain natin itong 1.10 na support for quite some time now, the selling pressure continues, kumbaga hindi manalo-nalo yung ating mga buyers. And our moving averages are pointing down as well. And itong ating moving average 9 is about to touch the 1.10 area. Ito kasing moving average 9 natin is our immediate resistance. Thus, the more na bumababa yung ating moving average 9, bumababa rin po yung ating closing price. So high likely ma-breakdown natin yung 1.10 area and may continue to do the sideways that we may observe na may low na 0.90 area. So be careful lang po sa mga gustong bumili ng shares on its current range. For BSE, it seems that malakas pa rin po talaga yung ating resistance at 0.61 area as our third attempt in breaking this is still failed. So today, more on confirmation yung na-receive natin from the market na magko-correct muna tayo sa kanya as our momentum gets more weaker. Sa ating net foreign indicator, masasabi natin na pwede siya makadagdag dun sa red flag na na-observe natin para sa speculation natin na bababa ulit yung price ng BSE kahit kasi mga foreign is lumabas ngayong araw, so selling tayo ng around 4 million pesos today. Fear emotion may arise as well during this time, especially sa mga holders na gains na, so chances are they will secure their profit. So more on selling po and mababawasan yung ating mga buyers. So as of the moment, more on observation po muna tayo kay BSE and be cautious lang po if ever we decide to buy shares on its current range. For Apollo Global, the market is still maintaining its 0.11 support despite with our bearish candlestick with regular volume. Sa ating net foreign indicator, nagkaroon man tayo ng selling pero very minimal lang. So kumbaga yung mga investors natin is still holding sa kanilang mga shares and wala tayong masyadong nakikitang selling. As of the moment, may nakikita tayong laban or possible strength dito sa ating 0.11. Pero in the event man na ma-breakdown natin yan, based on our previous performance, nagba-bounce back din naman kaagad tayo sa 0.11. So depending on your trading plan, you may hold on your current shares or even buy on its current range. But if you are looking for a best price, sa may 0.10 po tayo pwedeng makita ng best price niya kasi yan yung possible na low natin. For green energy, after po ng ating attempt to go beyond 3 peso area, nagtuloy-tuloy na po yung ating pagbaba. Hence, strong resistance po natin siya as of the moment. Weak momentum din po tayo as we are trading below moving averages and may pagka-irregularity din po yung takbo ng ating volume. Sa ating net foreign indicator, may buying naman tayo today na around 80,000. So kahit papano huminto yung ating selling pressure after ng ating withdrawal kahapon na 15 million pesos. So as of the moment, though dalawang bullish candlesticks na yung ginagawa natin, hindi pa rin siya enough confirmation para masabi natin na strong na yung current support natin at 2.60 area. Especially that we are resisting sa ating moving average 9 which is pointing down. Thus our moving average 9 is going down so as to our closing price. So more on test buy tayo on this area para pag hindi siya naging strong, may pang average down tayo on our strong support at 2.30 area. For MPI, we currently have a big range of sideways move from 3.56 to 4.30 area. And digging deeper, we are currently consolidating at 3.90 area with a low of 3.80 area. Volume-wise, hindi ganun kataasan yung ating na-observe. And sa ating net foreign indicator, more on withdrawals yung ating ma-observe or makita. Thus, wala tayong support from foreign investors. Having said that, breaking this 3.90 area could be a challenge and more likely hindi natin kayanin and chances are bababa ulit tayo sa ating lower border. Also, pag hindi natin na kayang i-break yung 3.90 area, gagawa tayo ng ating lower high and mas maliit na itong ating range. So, umbaga para magbabago yung ating sideways from 3.56 to 3.90 area na lang. So, depending on your trading plan, more on observation or profit taking tayo sa current area niya as we can see a strong resistance at 3.90 area. For SMC, we are currently on its resistance area after breaking itong ating uptrend channel in the short term. And looking back, we can see na hirap yung market i-break itong ating 118 peso area. So may mga times din na gumawa tayo ng bullish candlestick na nag-breakout mismo sa ating resistance pero hindi pa rin siya kinaya. Sa ating net foreign indicator, maganda yung support ng ating mga investors currently. So maganda siya kasi merong tutulong sa ating to push the price up. Yun nga lang, we still need to be cautious sa current area natin kasi hindi pa natin ma-confirm sa ngayon kung kaya na ba natin siyang i-breakout. Kaya naman, if gain na tayo, might as well secure some of our gain and reposition na lang ulit sa baba in case man na bumaba yung price niya. And for the newcomers, more on test buy lang muna tayo para in case hindi tayo maipit on its high area. For Converge, para siyang si ACEN kasi nagko-consolidate yung market whilst trying to create another all-time high. The only difference is that wala tayong makitang support from our foreign investors. So puro withdrawals yung makita natin kay Converge, kaya naman nahihirapan yung market na i-push pataas yung price niya. So depending on our trading plan, pwede tayong mag-hold kasi meron naman tayong strength na nakikita as we are maintaining our low around 31 peso area, or pwede rin naman mag-secure ng gain and reposition na lang should the price go down. Sa mga newcomers, more on test buy po tayo and be advised that our strong support is still at 27.75 area. For MRC, apparently malakas pa rin po yung ating resistance at 0.3190 area and malakas din yung ating selling pressure as we created two bearish candlesticks accompanied by high volume. We currently have support sa ating net foreign indicator, pero hindi naman siya ganun kataasan. So if ever gain naman na tayo kay MRC, might as well secure your profit, as there is a high chance that soon we will be trading below our midline again. So malulus natin yung momentum, and yung worst low na pwede nating makuha is 0.28 area. Dito na po sa ating key support. And dyan din naman po yung magandang abangan na price if ever man bibili tayo ng shares dito kay MRC. For Robinsons Retail, we currently have a big range of sideways move from 48.90 to 58.18 area. And checking our monthly time frame, we can see that we have a very strong support kasi yung low na nakikita natin around 44 pesos is tail lang siya ng ating March 2020, and most likely kaya nangyari yon dahil sa ating lockdown. So hence we can root for our 48.98 area to be our strong support. So balik lang po tayo sa ating daily, and then check na rin po natin yung ating net foreign indicator. More on selling yung nakikita natin. So as of the moment, wala po tayong makitang support from the foreign investors. So sa ngayon po, we are creating some very strong bearish candlesticks accompanied by high volume, kaya naman very weak din yung momentum na ma-observe natin. So malakas din yung selling pressure. Having said that, high likely bababa ulit tayo sa ating strong support at 48.98 area, which is dyan din naman po magandang pumasok or bumili ng shares. And if by any chance ma-breakdown natin yan, better assess the situation muna. Baka kasi final dip lang natin yan like nung nangyari last May 2021. So sa current range natin, good to hold naman po tayo. For dito CME, per our review kahapon, sinabi natin high likely ma-breakout natin yung 8.95 or 9 peso area due to our uptrend channel plus good volume plus yung catalyst natin regarding its technical audit. And kung i-check natin yung ating net foreign indicator, nag-selling man tayo today, hindi naman siya ganun kalaki or drastic. And yun na nga rin po, base kahapon tsaka nung nakaraang araw, maganda yung ating buying na na-observe. So candlestick wise, doji tayo today, so market is still looking for its way kung bababa ba siya or tataas. Pero base na nga rin po sa mga green flags na na-observe natin, more on tataas yung pwede nating may speculate. Kaya naman we have an option to hold on our current position and look forward on the next resistance at 9.86 area. Pero sa mga wala pang shares at gustong pumasok dito kay dito CME, more on test buy pa rin yung best option para makakuha pa tayo na mas better price or makapag-average down in case man yung flow ni dito CME will get change. And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, please don't forget to like it and share it as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. And also, kung meron po kayong additional information or thoughts dito sa review na to, comment nyo lang po yan para makatulong din po or makapagbigay information din po tayo sa iba. At sa inyo po na gustong magpa-review ng kanilang mga stocks, comment nyo lang din po yan para maisama po natin sa ating next session. And sa mga bago po nanonood ng video na ito, don't forget to subscribe para lagi po kayo maging updated sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you soon. QRepublic.